Welcome to another video. In this one I'll show you how to waterproof your roof, and this is it works on any kind of roof. Usually these flat roofs they have a layer like this of insulation. Yeah, that doesn't look very good, so when it rains there is a lot of water going under there and it leaks inside in the building, so it's not great. It has to be fixed. This is ideally to be done in the summer when it's all dry, but you know how it is. When it starts raining, leaks start to show, so it has to be fixed as soon as possible. This is a bit of a few tools. Yeah, and this is first step was to really clean the place really well. I used a wire brush and a bit of just paper, and the product I use here, the brand name doesn't really matter. You probably don't have this in your area, but you should look for acrylic roof sealant paint. It's acrylic roof sealant. It's a water-based sealant, so it doesn't smell. There is no chemicals that will really make you cough or anything. It's pretty simple, just like paint. You apply it on the crack. Here the crack is so big that I was thinking, especially because it's a walking area, it's just a roof of a building, and I thought I will use it's used for drywall, to mount drywall pieces together, and it's kind of fiberglass or plastic sheets of net like this. I put 3 pieces like that overlaid on top of each other, and now I'm painting it carefully not to move them too much. And this together with the acrylic paint, it will be a really strong bond. The acrylic roof sealant paint is flexible, and with these pieces of reinforcement, it keeps the paint together. And now the thing is ready, and I had some leftovers. So I started going through the roof, finding any spot that needed a little bit of fixing. You just need a brush or anything that really to push this onto the roof. Now here it's an important area. This is the drain, and I really put a lot around here. Maybe too much, but I'm not sure. I think you can never really put too much, as long as the drain is not blocked. And look what happens if there is water there. That's why you have to clean it before and make sure the surface is dry. If I use it on a wet surface like this, it just dissolves and doesn't really do much. But actually I'm not sure, maybe it does do something. Maybe it will go through some leaks and seal them. Not sure about that. This is the next day. As you see, I put my nail in, and there is a shape. The shape stays there, so it's flexible, this sealant. Yeah, acrylic sealant. I think this is a pretty good idea to use that instead of the old smelly one, this black one, tar. And here I was when you want to dilute it to make a primer for it, you dilute it with a bit of water. This is how they say on the box. But here I didn't have much, so I just diluted a little bit with water and painted all over the place. I noticed after a few days, the areas that were wet didn't really become like a rubber there, so that's why the place has to be clean. I really did all the places where there was water sitting, and because I had this sealant and I didn't want to throw it away. It would be a shame to throw it away, and many of those places looked like they needed a bit of extra sealant. Also, I got some on my fingers. If you get it on your fingers, try to wash it with water as soon as possible. Otherwise, it's gonna be more difficult later. Yeah, this is it's pretty good. It did okay. I mean, for it's 1 liter paint jar, and the price usually it's cheaper than even than this the brown, this black one. This here I didn't have enough, so it doesn't look great. That if I wanted to seal more, I would have to buy more of this material. Maybe another time, we'll see. I hope this video helps someone, and let me know in the comment section below how you seal your roof if you have a flat roof like this and you have leaks in your living room from the roof. How you do that and what products you use. Use the black thing, this tar based that smells a lot and it's really heavy, or this water based, more easy to use. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.